Hello, dear 8th graders. How are you? Let's work right now on our formative number 9. I think you remember we did this in last class. I will solve here the test easily, fast. You understand how to solve it, okay? Let's do it. Let's start with the first one. The first question is graph x squared plus 2x plus 1 and identify the key factors, vertex, and axis of symmetry. Let's go, guys. First of all, find the x of symmetry. I think you remember to find the axis of symmetry, it is b squared b negative b over 2 times a. Who is b? B is the value next to the linear coefficient. It's the variable without square. That's the variable usual. In this case here is 2. Then it is negative 2. We have this inside the parentheses because I just tell negative from the formula. Okay? Divided by 2 times a. Who is a? Is the number next to the quadratic coefficient. Do we have a number here? No, it's 1 then. It is 1. Great. Negative 2 divided by 2, it is equals to 1. I know my vertex, okay? I know my x of symmetry is 1. Right now, I need to solve for y to figure out the other value. Y equals x squared. Right now, x squared is not over there. Right now, it's 1 square y. Instead to write x, I will write 1. Plus 2 times 1, 2 times 1, plus 1. Great. Solving this one, 1 squared is 1, plus 2 times 1 is 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1 equals 4. I know my vertex, it is 1, 4. Great. 1, 4. Here's my vertex. Let's go to the graph here. 1 for x and oh, sorry guys, sorry, negative 1, mister. Okay, I forgot negative 1. Now makes sense. Negative 1 here, negative 1 here, negative 1 here. Now it's totally different, mister. Yes. Negative 1 squared, 1. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. It's negative 1 positive minus 2, it's negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 of the remainder of there is 0. Then it makes more sense, okay? Negative 1 and 0. Okay, attention here. Let's solve right now. Negative 1 and 0. Negative 1 and 0. Now, here is my vertex. Great. And right now, let's pick the neighbor. Let's pick one neighbor here. The first I got it, the vertex is negative 1. I'll put neighbor 0 and negative 2. The neighbor 0, when it is 0, let's use 0 over there. 0 squared, 0 plus 2 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 1, and negative 2 and 1. How do you know, mister, without find any calculus over there? Because they are symmetric. Okay? And we know because they are symmetric, they will be the same value. When it is 0 for x, will be positive 1 here. When it's negative 2, positive 1 here. Great. Now, miss, do we have enough information to graph? Yes. If you wanna, you can go more numbers, but you have enough here to find our graph. Okay? Oh, mister, it's not perfect. Doesn't matter. I don't want nothing perfect here. Just one you know and show me you know the pattern. Okay? Great. We finished the first one. Let's go to the second one. Solve by graphing the quadratic. Okay? The same thing. But right now, find the x of symmetry first. Here, negative b over 2a. Great. Finding the vertex, I know it is negative b. Who is b? Negative 4. Here it's negative 4. The negative, first negative from the formula, the second negative from the number. Over 2 times, who is a? Negative x squared is negative 1. Negative 1 here. And solving, guys, negative 4, negative 4, positive 4. 4 divided by negative 2, it's negative 2. My x of symmetry is negative 2. Right now, solving for x, okay, y equals negative x squared. In this case, here's negative 2 squared minus 4 times, who is x? Negative 2 again, minus 1. Okay, solving for x, or solving for y, sorry. Negative 2 squared, 4. Negative outside before, negative 4. Negative 4. I have a negative outside before. 2 times 4, 2, negative 4 times negative 2, positive 8, minus 1. Great. Negative 4 plus 8, it is 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. Great. My x of symmetry, it is my vertex for real. My vertex over here, it is negative 2. And we solve here, negative 5 plus 4, 8, 3. And 3. Great. When it is negative 2, here is negative 3. Oh, not negative 3, 3. Great. Let's pick the neighbor then, mister. Now, I pick neighbor number negative 3 and negative 1. Negative 3 here, guys. Let's hope for negative 1. I think it's easy. Negative 1 square is 1. Negative outside, negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 4 times negative 1, positive 4. Positive 4. And the last one, minus 1 already from there. Negative 1 plus 4, negative 1, it is 2. 2 here and 2 here. And the last one here, when is 0, 0 here and negative 4. When is 0, 0 square, 0, negative 0, don't have it. Negative 4 times 0 is 0, negative 1. Negative 1 here, negative 1 here. Great. Right now I find all the points that I'm looking for. First on, it is negative 2 and 3. Negative 2 and 3 over here. Great. Negative 2. Here's my vertex, okay? My vertex. Now the next one, negative 1 and 2. Negative 1 and 2 here. And the symmetric is the same thing, negative 3 and 2. And negative 4 and negative 1. Negative 4, negative 1 here. Negative 4, negative 1. 0 and negative 1 here. Great. Here is my graphic. Oh, guys, sorry, no problem. Okay. Great. Here's my graphic. It's done. We finish over here. Guys, this one is so easy, so easy. Guys, number 3. Number 3, attention over here. I need the vertex. I know the vertex. The X of symmetry is the opposite for this number here in circling. Yes, in this case, negative 1. And the y for this value here, it's negative 6. Just it. Just it. Just it, guys. Negative 1, negative 6 we have here. Yes, over there. Great. I think you understand this one. It's so easy. Same thing. Same thing over here. Same thing here. How, mister? Can you explain to us? Yes, the opposite for negative 5. 5. And negative 3. Just it? Yes. 5 and negative 3. Here's the vertex, okay? Find the vertex. Nice. Very easy. Number 5. Number 5 here, guys. What are you supposed to do? We need to graph the parabola. But how we do it, mister? Guys, we have vertex. The vertex we know already. How, mister? The opposite number. The vertex, it is the opposite side of the parentheses, negative 1 and negative 6. Okay, yeah, we did it before. The same thing. Exactly the same. Right now we're graphing. Let's pick the first neighbor. Okay, I'll pick 0. 0. When is 0? Okay, substituting here. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 square, 1. 1 minus 6, negative 5. Oh, just it, yes. And the symmetric in this case is negative 2. Negative 2, it is negative 5, the result. Great. Oh, mister, can you show more example? Yes, one more. Let's pick 1 now. 1. When it is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 squared, 4. 4 minus 6, negative 2. Oh, so easy. Yes, so easy. And the opposite is negative 3. They are symmetric. Negative 3 has the same result, negative 2. Okay, let's graph right now. Here, graphing this stuff. We go over here. Let me just, no, I cannot increase this one. Okay. Here, negative 1, negative 6. Negative 1, negative 6. Here. Okay, negative 1, negative 6. 0 and negative 5. Here. 0 and negative 5. Negative 2 and negative 5. They're symmetric, yes. 1 and negative 2. When it's 1, it is negative 2 here. And the same thing in negative 3 and negative 2. Negative 3 and negative 2. Exactly. Okay, guys, here is my parabola for this function. Done. So easy. Yes, I told you guys. It's very easy, this test. Number 6. Draw a parabola that would have only one solution. One solution, guys. When I have just one solution, I have just one intercept. Just one. Okay, here this case number 4. Just it. If I had two solutions, two intercepts. Two solutions, something like that, okay? I have one solution here, another one here. If I have no solution, here. No, don't cross the x-intercept. Okay, but in this case, I'm just asking you for one solution. Great. Here, number 7, guys, I give you the graph. Let's figure out the solution here. What's the possible? Which equations match the graph? Guys, if we're double looking for a graph here, I will zoom it. Where is my vertex? My vertex, guys, look for the vertex. Mister, the vertex is here. The vertex value, it is. The vertex value, let me see here, it is negative 4 for x, negative 4 for x. And for y is negative 1. Great. I know my vertex. I know my vertex is very important. Here is negative 5 and negative 3, my zeros. Okay. And here, I know my vertex already. Negative 4, negative 1. Here, let's slide down. Let's figure out here. Oh, guys, it's in vertex form. And opens up. Attention, this is important. Opens up. It means the A is positive. It means I don't have this negative, okay? Oh, I need something positive. Okay, this 2 here is positive. And it's negative 4. The opposite for negative 4 is positive 4. Here. And negative 1. This is my solution. I got it. Great. I got it. This opens up, must be positive. Don't have negative before the x squared. Where's the x squared, mister? Here. Before this x, okay? Here. This x, I don't want this x here. And I don't want this negative because it opens up. Great. I know the opposite for negative 4 is positive 4. And negative 1 is outside the parentheses, as we know already. Great. We know this one. We finished this. Let's go ahead here. Guys, this one, determine the discriminant, then select of the number of x-intercept. A here, guys, in this situation, the A value is the number next to x squared, is 2. B value, negative 8. C value, negative 3. I use the formula b squared minus 4ac. Let's do it right now. B squared in this case is negative 8 squared. Negative 8 times negative 8 minus 4. 2. A is 2 and C is negative 3. Negative 8 squared, 64. 64. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 3 is positive 24. Positive 24. Let me double check. Yes, positive 24. 64 plus 24, here will be 88. Is it a positive number? Yes. If it is a positive number, it means how many results do I have? 2 results, 2 possibilities. Okay, guys? If it was equal 0, I have just one solution. If what was less than 0, negative number, no solution. Great. I think you remember these steps. Let's go here, guys. Solve the following by quadratic equation by factoring. Mister, how do I solve this one? Guys, attention to these steps over here. Great. I will explain to you all steps with calmly. I will try to go calmly here to be sure you understand this point. I think I have enough room here, okay? If not have enough room, I go to the other side. First of all, combine like terms. I need to make it equal 0. Then I need to move 4x by the opposite. It's negative x. 6x squared minus 9x minus 5 minus 4x equals 0. Combine like terms, I have 6x squared minus negative 9 and minus 4, negative 13x minus 5 equals 0. Right now, mister, I cannot find by sum and product here, but you can slip and slide after, okay? Slip the 6 to the end, to the c, times negative 5. 6 times negative 5, 30, negative 30. X squared minus 13x minus 30 equals 0. Right now, by sum and product. The sum, it is negative 13. The product, it is negative 30. The product is negative 30. Which numbers, guys, I can multiply together to get negative 30? 1 and negative 30, but it will be, the sum will be negative 39, no. 2 and negative 15. 2 and negative 15. Yes, 2 and negative 15, mister, yes. X plus 2, 2 is positive, and x minus 15. Great, equals 0. Done, okay, I finished. Oh, no. I need to right now slide. Yes, mister, don't forget. X plus 2 divided by 6, the number I slide in the beginning, I slip in the beginning, x minus 15 divided by 6. Simplify this fraction, okay? We are simplifying this fraction here. Simplifying this fraction will be x plus 1/3. Oh, I forgot the parentheses over here. Oh, let me just start again. X plus 1/3 and x minus, divided by 3 over here will be 5 halves. 5 halves. Great, equals 0. Guys, right now I need to solve. If I need to solve this one, I cannot just slide again the number 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 5, but I will just solve already. Okay? X plus 1/3 equals 0. I move 1/3 by negative. X equals negative 1/3. The first solution, negative 1/3. The second solution over here, it is x equals, I move negative 5 halves by opposite. It's positive 5 halves. X equals 5 halves. And done. Here's my solution. Oh, mister, just it? Yes. X equals negative 1/3 and x equals 5 halves. Oh, mister, can I write like this? Yes, write like the solution I told you, using the curly bracket. Negative 1/3 and comma 5 halves. I give you solutions here. Great. Done this one. You can slide up here, slide down. Let's go to the next one. Describe the transformation from the parent function if the new function it is x plus 3 negative 5. Guys, I told you in this case here, find the vertex first. The vertex here, it is negative 3 and 5. Or negative 5, sorry. And then I know it obligated will move left 3 and down 5. Okay? Left 3 and down 5 here. But guys, I have here an important information give me to multiply by 2. Guys, when we multiply by 2 here, negative 2. Negative means I reflected, okay? Because opens up, the parent function, right now opens down. Reflected, okay? Oh, always reflected here, mister. Okay, nice. Over the x-axis. Has a vertical stretch, 3 units left and 5 units down. Okay, guys? Here in this case, what's going on? Imagine right now, I'm multiplying by 2. When I'm multiplying by 2, I compress or I stretch something? I stretch, guys. I'm stretching this one here. Great. That's why the solution is this. Great. Compare and contrast this one. Describe the difference between the graphs of these functions. Guys, the first one, again, the vertex. The vertex here for the y equals 1, y1, the vertex here, guys, is negative 6. Okay, the opposite, and 0. Here's the vertex. And the second one, it is 6 and 7. Let's compare right now, guys. How do you compare this one? Oh, the first, comparing from the parent function, it was, I move left 6 units, just it. The second one, what's going on here? The second one, we move 6 to the right and up 7. You got it? Yeah, this is the difference, guys. Just it. Nothing more. Easy, yes, easy. Guys, right now the last one. Which of the following is equivalent? Guys, just solve this one. How, mister, we solve this one? X plus 8. X plus 8 times x plus 8, well, because this is square, yes? Plus 7. Just it, yes. FOIL method. First, outer, inner, last. X times x, x squared. 8 times x, 8x. 8 times x again, 8x plus 8 times 8, 64, plus 7. Combining like terms, okay, combine like terms is x. Oops, let me see here, it's not working. Okay, x squared. No, now it's working. Okay, x squared is the result. X squared plus 16x, 16x. 64 plus 7, it will be 71, plus 71. Okay, let me check here. 6, here, 1, yes. Equals y. This is the solution. Which one we pick here? Which one? Here, the last one. X squared plus 64, x squared plus 16. Here. Great, this one. And 13, guys. Solving the following quadratic. Guys, this one is easy. This is the difference of square. How we solve this one, mister? X plus 8 times x minus 8. Just it, mister. Yes, equals 0. Then if I solve it, x plus 8, x equals negative 8. The solution here, it is negative 8 and positive 8. And done, guys. We finished the test over here. If you have any question, any doubt, email me. You know how to reach me. Bye, guys. Love you so much. See you later.